After retreating to the Sustainable Spaces office to crunch numbers and analyze his findings, Ryan returns to the Blake residence, ready to present his full diagnosis and prescription.
Basically what this is your Greenup report. And what I'm going to really focus on is the meat of the report. So everything that we tested, all the information we collected, what it means to you, and then what we're prescribing.
Based on Ryan and John's tests, 27% of wasted energy comes from leaky ducts, while another 29% comes from poorly insulated attic and porous building envelope.
The way we tested the air leakage is through the blower door. And so what this tells us is every hour, 55% of the air inside of your house is being lost to the outdoors.
To eliminate these points of energy loss, Ryan recommends first, replacing the ductwork in the crawl space. Next, he suggests air sealing to close off the building envelope by filling penetrations throughout the home. The last big thing he suggests is attic insulation. By blowing in a fresh 12-inch layer of recycled cellulose insulation, the Blakes can seal off the top of their home, thereby removing the ill effects of the stack effect that draws unhealthy air up through their living space. Solving these problems will make a big difference in the health, comfort, and efficiency of the Blakes' home.
In general, the average home that we do work on, we can reduce their bills by 30 to 50%. But what we really focus on is we're going to dramatically affect the comfort of your house. You're going to be comfortable all the time. And you're also going to have a really healthy house. The indoor air quality is going to be completely different.
In addition, Ryan suggests replacing their furnace with a new, higher efficiency unit.
Your actual heating load is 47,000. And so your new load would be 21,600 BTUs, which is pretty much the smallest furnace made we could install in your house.
He also recommends insulating the floor above the crawl space.
What we would want to do is use what's called a two-part spray foam. It's called isonine, and we'd actually spray a coat of this foam on the entire subfloor of your house. What it is it's an air barrier, and it's also an insulator. So you're going to have this complete barrier separating your crawl space from your living space, which is really, really important.
Finally, he identifies the current whole house fan as a big source of leakage and suggests that replacing it with a newer version can eliminate much of that waste.
One of the biggest leaks in your house is the whole house fan, and so we just replace your current one and install a smaller one. It's about 16 inches by 16 inches. It's a lot quieter, and what it also has is it has these mechanical butterfly dampers. So anytime you're not using it, it completely seals itself. That way there's no air loss occurring.
Ryan departs after a job well done, and the Blakes circle up to decide whether or not to do the work suggested by Sustainable Spaces.